Here at Right Hand Services, we know that heavy rain can be more than just an inconvenience. It can threaten your home. With no gutters on this property and the frequent torrential downpours we get here in Kinder, water was pooling dangerously close to the foundation. Left unchecked, this can cause erosion, basement leaks, and costly damage. So the solution? A property installed front of the property drain designed to move water away from the house quickly and efficiently. This isn't just any drain, it's a system built for performance. The primary goal is to get the water out of harm's way as fast as possible. When we plan the layout, we consider the slope of the land and the natural flow of water and the areas most at risk around the foundation. The drain collects excess water during heavy rain, directs it safely away, and keeps your home dry no matter how hard the storm hits. Installing a drain like this takes more than just digging a trench. We started by marking the path where the water naturally flowed. Then we dug a proper channel, add gravel for drainage support, and position the drain to catch runoff before it could pool near the house. Finally, we cover it with durable grate that's easy to maintain, keeps debris out, and ensures the water flows freely. Every step is designed to protect your home and give you a peace of mind during storms. Once installed, the difference is immediate. Water that would have sat against the foundation is now channeled away, reducing erosion, preventing foundation damage, and keeping your yard intact. It's a smart solution that combines practical engineering with long-term protection. Exactly the kind of approach Right Hand Services takes on every project. So if you're dealing with heavy rains, no gutters, or water pooling near your home, this is simple, effective solution that works. At Right Hand Service, we believe in working smarter, harder to protect what matters most for your home. For advice, installation, or inspection, reach out to us today. Let's keep your foundation dry and your property safe.